Hi, I am Anila Gupta. I am an international certified yoga teacher and a licensed Zumba instructor. आज मैं आपको एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी योगा करवाने वाली हूँ. वी हैव नेम्ड इट एज क्विक योगा. सो इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपको अपनी बॉडी को क्विकली एक्टिवेट करना है. तो उसको क्विकली एक्टिवेट करने के लिए मैं आपको कुछ शॉर्ट टिप्स देती हूँ और छोटे छोटे आसन बताती हूँ जो कि आपको हेल्प करेंगे एकदम से रिचार्ज होने के लिए एंड टू स्टार्ट योर डे विद अ बैंग. So this is called सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. सूक्ष्म व्यायाम क्या होता है? That is subtle exercise which is going to affect on your subtle body, your सूक्ष्म body. So the exercise which is going to affect your subtle body is going to affect your physical health as well as your mind. So we'll go slowly in सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. For सूक्ष्म व्यायाम, initially sit in सुखासन. सुखासन का मतलब है कि आप आराम से चौकड़ी मारकर बैठ जाएं. आपके दोनों हाथ घुटनों के ऊपर और हथेलियां आकाश की ओर मुड़ी हुई. अब धीरे से अपने दोनों हाथों को सामने ले आएं. ठीक है. और जैसे ही आप अपने हाथ सामने, एक ढीली मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने, योर आर्म्स आर पैरेलल टू द ग्राउंड. There is equal space in between your arms. Now slowly you can move your hands in and out, in and out, in, out, and from here start rotating your wrist. Pull in, pull out. This is also called Manibandha Chakra. And reverse. Make sure when you bring your fist up, you are pulling it back. And feel the stretch in your arms. And rotate. Release, relax. Now open your hands slightly. While opening your hands, now once again breathe in, bring your hands up, pull your fingers towards you. Yes, it is going to be a little painful, but keep pulling your fingers towards you and down. Pull in and down. Repeat it for a few times and afterwards you may relax. There is one more variation of this asana, which is you may take your arms parallel to the ground. This is very good for your shoulders and your arm strength. Now once again, as you breathe in, pull your hands towards you. Your fingers are totally pulled towards you and keep pulling your fingers. It is going to be painful, but it's a sweet pain. Keep pulling your fingers. Breathe out, down, in and out. Once again, in. And in the same position, let's start saying bye-bye to all of our worries. Bye-bye. Your fingers are stretched out. Pull in. And you are saying bye-bye. Do few of the rotations like this and slowly you may relax your arms. Now slightly open your legs straightwards. Place both of your hands on your knees. We'll start with our ankle movements. Your feet are joined together or there is a slight distance in between your feet. Now as you pull your fingers in, feel the stretch in your hamstrings and in your calves. Press your knees down. Keep pressing your knees down. Pull your fingers in. Breathe out. Push your toes out. Keep smiling. A gentle smile should always be there on your face. Pull in and out. Now once again bring your feet together and let's start with your rotation. Pull in, breathe out, move your ankles out. Breathe in and breathe out. This movement is called Gulf Chakra. So this ankle, it is called Gulf, and when we rotate it, it is called Gulf Chakra. Keep rotating. So this will open all of your calves and your hamstrings, and you can literally stand up with full energy and relax. Now slowly bend your right leg and bring your leg towards you. Hold your foot and from your right hand hold your knee, and let's start making a movement from your knee. Rotate down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, out. And you may reverse in and out, in and out, and relax. You may do the same with other leg. धीरे से सुखासन में आ जाएं. Sit straight. Your spine should be straight. Now as you breathe in, bring your left arm up. Stretch your arm up, and as you breathe out, bend to your right. If you can, you may slightly place your elbow down and bend a little more. Breathe in, come back. Breathe out, relax your arm. Let's do it with your right arm. Breathe in. Take your right arm up. Stretch your right arm up. Stretch. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Bend to your left. And along with it, take your arm to the left. Place your elbow down on the floor and bend a little more. Breathe in, back, breathe out, down. इसके साथ साथ आप शोल्डर मूवमेंट्स भी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन पम्प अप योर शोल्डर्स, मेक द रोटेशंस इन योर शोल्डर्स, फ्रंट एंड बैक. यू कैन डू नेक मूवमेंट्स ऑल्सो, फ्रंट, बैक, sides, and make the neck rotations. So there are many asanas जो कि आप और भी कर सकते हैं. उन आसनास के बारे में मैं आपको अपनी अपकमिंग वीडियोस में भी बताऊंगी. लेकिन ये ध्यान में रखिए कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये आसनास आपके लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं. आप सुबह उठिए, बेड पर बैठे बैठे ये सब आसनास कीजिए एंड होल डे यू विल बी फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि इन आसनास को आप बहुत ही क्विकली कर सकते हैं. सुबह की भागदौड़ में टाइम नहीं मिलता है. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू गिव फ्यू ऑफ द मिनट्स, 5 to 10 minutes, एंड यू डू दीज आसनास और आपका पूरा दिन बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हमारी अच्छी लगती है तो अपने फ्रेंड्स और संबंधियों के साथ ये वीडियो लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. इसके आगे आने वाली बहुत सारी अपकमिंग वीडियोस भी हम डालते रहेंगे. उसके लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा हमारा चैनल, जिसको कि कहते हैं क्रेजी वुमनिया. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब ऑन द चैनल एंड वेट फॉर मेनी मोर अपकमिंग वीडियोस. थैंक यू.